again, this is Dr. Cool Autofix. In today's video, we're going to be discussing top 4 reasons why your AC compressor clutch engage and disengage. Engage and disengage. And the first way to actually investigate this is go ahead and take a feel at your lower pressure lines or the low pressure lines of your AC system. If it is cold to touch, then that is the first place. Now, I want you to understand that when the AC cycles off and on, it is a fail-safe measure, which is actually how it's designed to protect the compressor, which is the heart of the AC system, from failing. But in some other case, when it happens most often, then it needs to be investigated, especially when it disrupts the cooling of the car. The cabin doesn't get cold as it's supposed to with the passenger on board sweating. Then you need to investigate it. This is the reason why you're watching this video. I'll be very quick and snappy about it. The first reason why you're having such situations is you have too much refrigerant inside the AC system. When there is too much refrigerant inside the AC system, it can make the compressor to cycle off and on because it's trying to create a balance, trying to find the right balance between the refrigerant level, and that's the liquid line, the liquid refrigerant level, and the gaseous refrigerant level. And if you're going to find it, then it's going to be off and on. And the second reason why the compressor clutch cycles off and on but still cold is because you have a poor airflow across the evaporator coil. This can often happen due to either that you have a defective blower motor, right? You have a defective blower motor that is not giving the information correctly as it's supposed to. And so when the blower motor is bad and not supplying enough air to actually defrost the icing that is forming on the evaporator, it makes the clutch to cycle off and on. The third reason why your compressor cycles off and on is a defective pulling filter or a clogged pulling filter. A clogged pulling filter can actually create a restriction of airflow across the evaporator core. And when that happens, the thermostat will notice that there is a frozen, that the evaporator is about to freeze, and we quickly signal the climatronic electronic control module to shut off the power. And when that happens, it will create a short cycling, which you now know as the compressor turns off and turn on. The fourth reason why your compressor turns off and on is because you turn the blower motor fan almost near to the lowest level. What happens when you turn on the fan blower motor into the lower level? Let's say if it have up to like 6 levels and you decided to use 1 or 2, well, quickly there's going to be quick icing on the evaporator core, which is going to create a poor airflow and freezing up of the evaporator coil. And when that happens, the thermostat will quickly alert the climatronics electronic control module to turn off the power. And when the temperature started building up again, it turns it back on. So this results into short cycling. So if you want to solve this problem, increase the fan level maybe to 4 or more, and you're going to see that the short cycling is going to stop. I'm certain you find this helpful because this definitely resolve your problem. Now, if this doesn't resolve your problem, replace the evaporator core as much as the thermostat, and that should be able to solve the problem. And make sure you have a very good pulling filter on, or a good cabin filter on board, and voila. Okay, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I remain Dr. Cool. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.